What if your desktop software could follow you anywhere, even into the fields? Your farm ERP truly mobile. Desktop power in your pocket. Access 100% of your ERP functionality, accounting, reporting, configuration, plus your other software, local files and printer wherever you are. Your critical data stays secure on your servers. No compromises. Keep control from anywhere. Check your silo and calving data remotely. Respond instantly, no driving back. That's freedom. TSplus Remote Access. Try TSplus Remote Access free for 15 days. Get started quickly with free TSplus Academy training. Simple and thorough, all based on detailed screenshots. Visual learning, step by step.